Ruta N, urban symbol of innovation and technological development in Medellin, is no longer a dream. Today, it is one of the city's most significant achievements, a complex of buildings located in the new north sector of Medellin. The center is strategically located on Barranquilla Street, stretching from the intersection of Carabobo Avenue to the intersection of Ferrocarril Avenue. Also located close by are the University of Antioquia, the Explora Park, the Planetarium, and the Botanical Garden. The complex consists of 3 towers. The new center defines the initiative for innovation in the city. One of the towers is dedicated to the global services of the high-tech multinational Hewlett-Packard. The 2 remaining towers are integrated and dedicated to Ruta N Corporation activities and to other high-priority innovation projects for the city, spearheaded by the EPM Group, UNE Telecommunications, and their affiliated firms. Consistent with its innovative identity, the Ruta N complex has been built seeking innovation in sustainability. The structures of which the facilities are constructed demonstrate a perfect balance between solid concrete and green biomatter, producing an environment-friendly complex. The equilibrium rests upon 2 pillars of sustainable design: location and rational consumption. The first pillar considers everything relative to its location. For this reason, the complex is located in the north sector of the city in a zone strategic to development and focused on economic knowledge. In addition, thanks to innovative planning, the center is located close to quality public transportation. Specifically, 2 metro stations, each located less than 500 meters from the center, and augmented by a MetroPlus bus station located directly in front of the complex, provide a minimal carbon footprint transportation network for those who direct themselves to and from Ruta N. The facilities provide bicycle racks and showers for employees and visitors, promoting zero-emission transportation. In addition, the parking area has been purposely reduced. 20% of the parking spaces are reserved exclusively for carpools or for zero-emission vehicles. These points provide incentives for using public transportation and for the rational use of private transportation. The second pillar consists of sustainability in design. The objective is to minimize consumption. The intelligent lighting system is completely automated. Sensors detect light and occupants in order to minimize energy consumption. Ruta N's air conditioning system is adiabatic, not mechanical, based on the principle that hot air tends to rise and cool air tends to drop. This method extracts cool air from within the building and then circulates it upward throughout the building interior, eventually releasing the circulated air through the top floor terrace. A design feature of the buildings is the space between each facade and the walls of the towers. This innovation permits air to circulate freely through the building's interiors. And also with this in mind, no office has an enclosed overhead ceiling. This allows every room access to circulating air. Water consumption is of course also regulated. Rainwater is collected and treated in special tanks to be later employed in sanitation and gardening within the complex. In addition, thanks to the Botanical Garden's accompaniment, the plants in the gardens and facades are native species that need minimal watering and require no pesticides. Finally, the elevators are equipped with a pre-call system that optimizes the use of energy by efficiently organizing each run. When selecting the building materials for the Ruta N complex, 2 key conditions were given top priority. One was that the building materials be obtained within the region to minimize transport distances. The second was that the materials required be environmentally friendly. For this reason, the paint selected does not contaminate. The floors were made using recycled rubber. The sparse lumber used for benches came from certified forests exclusively cultivated for cutting and for moderate use of natural resources, thus avoiding deforestation. All these sustainable architecture standards make this complex of buildings a world model in design and construction. Ruta N encompasses a total area of 32,000 square meters. The center is made up of 3 zones: walkways, gardens, and the 3 large towers. An auditorium with capacity for 350 people is located on floor 0. The auditorium is designed to achieve excellent acoustics. Included in the auditorium are Wi-Fi and Rider high-tech electronics to aid audiovisual presentations. The large room offers the option of conversion into 2 independent auditoriums. On the first floor, 4 multiplex rooms are equipped with high-tech features, including comfortable seating and furnishings. The wall partitions are removable, allowing the rooms to be converted into an auditorium for academic and corporate events. Maximum capacity is 350 people. The first floor also houses Vive Lab. The area supports and promotes the development of digital animation in the city and counts on 25 high-tech computers to contribute to the advancement of the field. On the second floor, we find the Mediatic Digital Library, where a series of desktop computers provide access to the specialized databases of EPM and UNE, allowing the community to access sources of high-level information related to technology and innovation. Here, we also find the Ruta N workforce. This group is permanently dedicated to the creation and development of initiatives that promote innovation in the city. And on the third and fourth floors, a space for the commercial business landing program has been created. The facilities are equipped to usher domestic and foreign companies whose intent is to enter the region. The goal is to assist them in their initial phase of organization. This initiative supports all the strategies to establish bases of operation for domestic and foreign companies and is implemented in liaison with the Agency for Cooperation in Investment of Medellín and the metropolitan area, and provides solutions to problems new investors face, such as lack of credit history in the country, as well as procurement of a place where economic productivity can be initiated. Companies arriving at the landing are focused on energy, health, and ITC sectors considered strategic to Ruta N. The companies occupy space in concession for up to 2 years maximum. The goal is for companies to consolidate their position in the region during this period, and then to establish their economic enterprises at a new facility in the city, making the space available for new investors. The third floor houses 29 modules for a total of 180 workstations. Each module can accommodate from 4 to 6 people. Partitions may be removed to join modules in accordance to the occupant company's requirements. Each module is completely equipped and companies are allotted a maximum of 2 years to establish themselves. The fourth floor is completely open. This has been done intentionally to provide companies the opportunity to organize special models in accordance to their requirements. The terrace is located on the 5th floor. This space is ideal for employees to have meals and take breaks. The facilities include entertainment equipment, a water mist climate control system, dining tables, and sinks for washing dishes. More space for innovation. Public exterior zones are located on floor 0 of every tower. Retail outlets and eateries located in this area enrich the offerings of the sector. A large open space showroom dedicated to temporary science, technology, and innovation exhibitions is located on the first floor of Tower B. The maximum capacity is 500 people. In this same tower, UNE Communications has installed a modern television station equipped with cutting-edge technology. Here you will find a digital television studio and a laboratory to work with affiliated companies on projects of mutual interest. Also found in the tower is an exclusive space for Artica, a project hatched from the union of EPM, UNE, and the principal universities of the city to conduct investigative research and to develop new technologies. The area of Artica contains a center for experiments where newly developed products and services are tested. For its part, the EPM group has a novel laboratory where work can be done on innovative and futuristic projects. This is the perfect place to conduct chemical and physical tests on natural gas-powered household appliances, to conduct electrical experiments, to test high-tension power lines, and to carry out studies on energy and metrology, among others. With 3 great pillars supported by the city's mayor's office, education, enterprise, and science, technology, and innovation, Ruta N integrates itself to the vision of urban development, becoming the city catalyst and consolidating its position as district of innovation and technology in this new north of Medellín. We will bring knowledge from the world to Medellín and connect ourselves to the world in the fields of innovation. We will work to gain knowledge from the best. The new North will offer new possibilities and transform the city into a model for the country. Medellín has a northern light, and it is innovation.